Excuse me. I'm trying to get to the nearest train station. Do you know where it is?
Nearest train station?
Yeah.
Alright, watch out now. I'm gonna go straight down so.
Yeah.
Right? Bus a right, bus a left, bus a right, bus a left, bus a right, bus a left. You gotta reach one corner. You can't miss it. You gotta see two worthless boy, Winston and Gilbert. If them say nothing to you, then if you go suck out them mother. Then you gotta reach one crossroad. So when you reach there, so turn the next way. And that's what me thinking baby mother and a big belly boyfriend live. If you go down there, so, and you see one blue house, you're there in a wrong place. One green house, if you see one girl. Big soap and white like soap. Don't make her touch you, you know. You can get something we are not gonna like. Follow the road go down and you can't miss it. You understand what me I say?
Not really. Could you go past the last part again?
So no foreign people, nah no fucking common sense. Wanna just bumbuck like down. So hold on no. Nah no fucking common sense.